Welcome to the CrispMetrics. In this video, we will see what is union statement in MySQL. Let's see the definition of union statement. The union operator is used to combine the result set of two or more select statements. Before that, let's decide our database first. Now, let's see how many tables we have in our database. We have two tables. In this video, we will use both the tables. Now it's time to check the data in both the tables. First we will check in section 2 table. After execution, you can see, this data is present in our first table. Now let's see the students table data. So this data we have in our table. Okay, so we have seen the data in both the tables. Let's make a problem statement here. Suppose, we want to extract the ID column from section 2 table. And parallelly, we want roll number column from students table. So let's do it. Just right select, ID, from students. After that use your union keyword here. Now right, select, roll number, from, section 2. So you can see, this result contain both the elements of the different tables. For more understanding, let's change a little bit. Just remove this ID, and write first name. Now you can easily observe, this contains both the roll number and name values, from different tables. This is all about this video. We will see more things in next videos. Do not forget to like the video, and please subscribe to the channel.